You don't want to paint the paint too thickly, and you don't want to use paints that have got latex in. I cut a piece of Bondaweb the same size as a piece of newspaper, so you can just lift it up and pop it away to dry. Okay, so I think you can see that it's not too thick. So what should I put on first? I've got lots of things to show you. So you can see that the foil has stuck, and then that's all stuck down there. So the skeleton leaf is all stuck down now. You can see it's all there. I just want to talk to you a little bit about working with paper. Here we've got an applique using papers with some silver and gold mica flakes, a little bit of silver glitter just shining there. And then you can see some of my fine herringbone stitch. And I've used old bits of printed Bondaweb and bits of scraps of fabric. You need to go as fast as the Bondaweb will melt. Did you know that you could iron painted Bondaweb onto hard surfaces? And then you can iron your painted Bondaweb onto the box. So off you go and start making some gorgeous presents for people.